In today's video, we will be showcasing this 4-bedroom house located in Cedar Grove in Knockpatrick, Manchester. This house has approximately 3,000 square feet of living space, with the lot size being 6,000 square feet in all. It's currently on the market, being listed for 34 million Jamaican dollars. This house consists of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a living area, dining area, a kitchen, a balcony, a patio, laundry area, and a garage. With that in mind, let's go ahead and take a closer look at this house. Here we are at the front of the property. We then move from here to take a look on the inside. First, we have the living area. There were no images provided for the dining area. Next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is a second bedroom. This house has 4 bedrooms in all, however only 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. Out of the 4 bathrooms, only 1 was shown. Next is the balcony. And from here we're going to head back to the front of the house. This then brings us to the end of the tour. So if you are interested in this house, it is currently being listed for 34 million Jamaican dollars. I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtor and also the link for the house. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.